Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. So in today's video I wanted to be really short because I'll be showing you guys how to do a cut crease. And first I'll be going in with a brown shade after priming my eyes, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And next I'll be going in with a green color matte eyeshadow from this palette, this Ever Beauty palette, and I'll be tapping it into my crease areas back and forth, making sure that it's properly blend. And next I'll be going in with my Elegant Pro concealer. It's about 4 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm just going to tap into it and cut. So what I'm going to do right here now is just to tap it at the tip of my eyelid and look up, and anywhere that concealer gets to touched or stained, that is where you are having your cut crease. So you're just going to start from the inner corner of your eyes, dragging it all the way down to where you want it to be. So if you're a beginner, you want to start gradually and find your way up. So after doing that, next I'll be tapping into that same green color shade and apply that at the outer corner of my eyes, and just blend it all the way up to my crease areas. So guys, next for the inner corner of my eyes, I'll be going in with this lemon green shimmery color. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's very fine. I'll just tap it gently into the inner corner of my eyes all the way to where you guys are seeing those white lines. I'll just trace it all and tap that into it. Okay, so that color wasn't staying, so I went in with a gold color just to finish that touch. Okay, so I'll just tap into the outer corner of my eyes more, so it have this sort of balanced look. And then at the top of my eyes, which is around my crease areas, I also want to tap into those areas again using like a lemon green color, which I'll be showing now. Yes, it's a matte lemon green, and I'll just tap into it and I'll just blend into my crease areas, at the top of my crease areas, just close to my brow bone areas. I'll just tap into it, and that's it for the eye look. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment. Let me know what your thought is on this look in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you again in my next video.